Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can just display custom metadata records in FlexCards, OmniStudio FlexCards. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So before creating the FlexCard, I'll be just showing you the custom metadata types, and from the quick find I can just search for custom metadata types. And I have already created one custom metadata type which is tax rules, and it contains different countries tax percentages and their respective effective date. Like for India, the effective date is from 1st Jan to 2025 and the tax percentage is 18%. So this is how I just created few records for the tax rules, and there are like few custom fields that I created in this tax rule custom metadata type, and I'll be adding this that tutorial link in which I have shown like how to create this custom metadata type and how to create these records. I'll be adding that video link in this video description. And there are like these are the custom fields are there, like active is a checkbox data type field, and then country is a text, effective date is of type date, and tax percentage is of type percent. And we'll be just going to show like this information, this tabular informations I'll be show in the FlexCard. So let me just create a new FlexCard by clicking on this new button. So I'll be just click on new button, and I'll be providing the FlexCard name as display custom metadata type records. Okay, and this is not a child card. Let me just click on next. And in the data source, I'll be using like SOQL. By using this Salesforce query language, we can just fetch those custom metadata type records. So I'll be just selecting this SOQL query, and I'll be clicking on next. So in here we just need to provide the SOQL. So this is the SOQL I'll be using, like select ID, country, tax percentage, effective date from tax rule MDT. So MDT stands for metadata types in Salesforce. So this closer like custom objects in Salesforce, and custom objects ends with like double underscore C. But for custom metadata types, it's ends with MDT. After providing this query, I'll be just click on next, and I'll be just click on this fetch, and this is how we can see that our records are getting fetched properly from that custom metadata type. And if we want to see the JSON format as well, we can see that as well on clicking on this tab JSON. And we can provide this result JSON path as well. I'm not providing for this demo, and I'll be just click on save. So now what we need to do, we just need to select this data table component, since we want to display those records in a tabular format. So one another thing just to remind, like whenever we are just creating and activating a FlexCard, LWC component got created in the backend, so that we can refer this FlexCard um, in our OmniStudio, and we can use like custom LWC element in which we can refer this FlexCard. And let me, after selecting this data table component, we can just click on preview. So now we can see that our data is showing properly in a tabular format, and these are like, since the repeat options is enabled, that is why we can see the repetition of the list of records. Now I can just from the setup, I can just, from the repeat options, I can just uncheck this one, and let me just preview this one once again, and we will not see the repetition of the records after disabling this repeat records option. So let me just refresh this page in case. So still it's showing there are some cache issues, and we can just activate the FlexCard. So we can select like public option, publish options, in which record pages we can directly refer this FlexCard. Uh, for the time being, I am just this is by default selected like app page, home page, record page of Salesforce. And I'll on clicking on save, we can see that our FlexCard got activated successfully. And on clicking on this preview, we can see that, and we can see that the repetition of records is not showing, since I have disabled the repeat options for the FlexCard. And now in the next session, I will be talk about like, I'll be make these uh, records in the data table as selectable. So we can just select like one or more records, and we can just pass this record information into our OmniScript. So in that case, we just need to provide like different options we just need to enable in this FlexCard. Like in that case, on clicking on design, I can just like, from the data table attributes, we can just select this like use user selectable row. So after selecting this user selectable row, we can see that this one checkbox is available for each row, and we can just select one or multiple records from this data table. And in that case, we just need to pass this record information into OmniScript. In that case, we just want to remember these options, these configurations we just need to enable, like it should be OmniScript supported. So unless this option is checked, this FlexCard will not be available into that OmniScript. So there are lots of other configurations that I'll be talking about in the next session. So this session was just to display the uh, custom metadata type records in FlexCard. So please stay tuned. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.